Hey y'all, what's up? Today we're making some crispy homemade fried chicken with your girl, me. All the ingredients will be in the description box below. So let's get ready for this meal because baby, this meal is to die for, okay? To die for. So all those ingredients I showed before, all the seasonings are used on my chicken that I marinated overnight because it needs to be marinated, baby. It needs to be marinated so it could pop. Then this is my egg wash. I put all the seasoning in there as well and mix it all up because that's what you're going to use for your chicken. Then I season up my flour. Make sure your flour changes different colors because if it's not a different color, baby, it is not seasoned well, okay? It's not seasoned well, period. Now we take the chicken wings. We put in the egg wash and we put it all in there, mix it all up. Make sure it's well coated. Make sure it's all well coated. Okay, take off the excess, then put it in the flour. Mix that all together. Make sure it's really well coated, you guys. Make sure it's really, really well coated because you want this chicken to be popping. Popping. Now look at this. This is what you call coated chicken. Coated chicken. Nothing less. Okay, this is how it's supposed to be. Period. Okay, let's get into the chicken. Now we fry it. I don't have a deep fryer, y'all, but my pot's gonna work just fine. Don't hate. Thank you. Now look at this. Boom! Crispy, yummy fried chicken, y'all. If y'all can only smell this through the screen, I'm screaming myself. So good, so lovely. Try this recipe, you guys. You will not regret it. So good.